Alright, so as requested by Mr. Yenye, let's test how cornices are done. This is a project I'm still working on. It's yet to be complete, but I think this is just what it looks like on the outside. I'm going to do wall cornices for this bedroom, only within the bedroom space. So to do that, the first thing I'll do is create a complex profile for that. You could always click here or go through options, elements, attributes, and profile manager. Then once you bring this up, click on edit, then draw the shape of the cross section for the cornice you want. In this case, I'll be doing something like this. Please just take note of the dimensions. Okay, I think I overlooked one here. Oh, not just that, one here as well. Yeah. Now the exact way I'm drawing this doesn't have to be the way you are drawing yours. I'm merely doing this because I want a shape like this for the cornice, kind of what we have for concrete fascia, but in this case it's for interiors. So I use the magic wand tool to fill it up and then change the material to, I could say, gypsum, plaster gypsum, okay, and then I save it with beams, not walls, beam profile, and I name it Cornice 1. Why I'm using Cornice 1 is because for typical projects I might have to apply multiple cornices of different cross sections. So now that I've done this, I go into the plan, make sure that the beam tool is active, change it from the generic profile to the complex profile and choose the Cornice 1 profile, and from there I could just draw. And that's not all. Now that I have done this, I typically just use a section marker then to try place it properly. So I'm going to open this section here. Probably going to look a bit weird. Alright, so you can see that it's placed at the bottom section. Now take note that when you draw multiple segments like that, they are going to be grouped, so suspend your grouping first. Okay, and then switch off the suspension. Okay, I'm seeing a call on the group. I would respond immediately after this. Alright, so I can pick this here, raise it to where it needs to be, and there we have it. So if I check this out on the 3D to Yenye, I hope this is what you asked for. Am I in the right space? No. Okay, yeah, here. I hope this is what you asked for, and I hope if it's not, still indicate. Okay, to just put a bit of icing on the cake, if you are doing interiors where you might actually want coloring on this, you could set, say, only this face down here, this particular face, to kind of have a gold finish. And to do that, I click on the face, then I click on this last icon right here that says custom edge settings. I change its own surface to gold, and once I set it to this metal gold and resave, I now get this. Alright, I have to respond to the group. Now why it's not working is because these are active, by the way. I need to switch these off, the overriding of surfaces, so they come in their default, and then we have this. Alright, and there we have it. I look forward to the next question.